Hey everybody, I am Sarah Wren and it is time for your Summit Salon Minute brought to you by Summit Salon Business Center. This week we are talking about the incredible business model of the salon boutique. Summit Salon consultant Gavin Salisbury comes in and gives his tips on branding, social media marketing, and the best tips on how to set up your actual retail space. When you combine that element of fashion into the hair salon model, you really have to be strategic about knowing who your target demographic is, what kind of clothes they'll like, what kind of jewelry, the goods that they're going to be looking for that's going to pair well for your existing clientele that you have. For your product of the week this week, we have Pillars of Profit. And the reason why I think that this is so important for salon owners, but salon boutique owners especially, is because before you can have any kind of business, you really have to be grounded in those foundational principles of that industry. So please enjoy 20% off and let me know what you think about this topic. I have a lot more things coming about salon boutiques and a lot more hot tips for you guys out there. So please let me know. And if you have ideas for future blogs, send them right over to me. Thank you for spending a minute with us. This next minute is yours.